Let's go. Student Book 1, Unit 8. Animals. Let's talk. A. Listen and say.
What's your favorite color?
Red. What about you?
I like blue.
Page 66. Language focus.
What's your favorite color?
Red. What about you?
I like blue.
Page 67. B. Listen, point, and sing. What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color, Ted? My favorite color is red. What's your favorite color, Jane? My favorite color is green. What's your favorite color, Jack? My favorite color is black. What's your favorite color, Sue? My favorite color is blue.
Page 68. Let's learn. A. Learn the words. Number 1.
A cat.
Number 2.
A dog.
Number 3.
A bird.
Number 4.
A rabbit.
Number 5.
A frog.
Number 6.
Cats.
Number 7.
Dogs.
Number 8.
Birds.
Number 9.
Rabbits.
Number 10.
Frogs.
Page 68. B. Make sentences.
There's a rabbit. I like rabbits.
Number 1.
There's a rabbit. I like rabbits.
Number 2.
There's a bird. I like birds.
Number 3.
There's a cat. I like cats.
Number 4.
There's a dog. I like dogs.
Number 5.
There's a frog. I like frogs.
Page 68. Drum track.
There's a rabbit.
I like rabbits.
There's a rabbit. I like rabbits. There's a bird. I like birds. There's a cat. I like cats. There's a dog. I like dogs. There's a frog. I like frogs.
Page 69. C. Ask your partner.
What do you like? I like cats.
Page 69. Drum track.
What do you like?
I like cats.
What do you like? I like cats. What do you like? I like dogs. What do you like? I like rabbits. What do you like? I like birds. What do you like? I like frogs.
Page 69. D. Listen, point, and sing. I like turtles.
I like turtles. What about you?
I like turtles too. I like turtles. I want a turtle.
I want a turtle too.
I like cats. What about you?
I like cats too. I like cats. I want a cat.
I want a cat too. I like birds. What about you?
I like birds too.
I like birds. I want a bird.
I want a bird too. I like rabbits. What about you?
I like rabbits too.
I like rabbits. I want a rabbit. I want a rabbit too.
Page 70. Let's learn more. A. Learn the words. Number 1.
A monkey.
Number 2.
A lion.
Number 3.
A bear.
Number 4.
A giraffe.
Number 5.
An elephant.
Number 6.
Monkeys.
Number 7.
Lions.
Number 8.
Bears.
Number 9.
Giraffes.
Number 10.
Elephants.
Page 70. B. Make sentences.
I like monkeys. I don't like lions.
Number 1.
I like monkeys. I don't like lions.
Number 2.
I like lions. I don't like elephants.
Number 3.
I like elephants. I don't like bears.
Number 4.
I like bears. I don't like giraffes.
Number 5.
I like giraffes. I don't like monkeys.
Page 70. Drum track.
I like monkeys. I don't like lions. I like monkeys. I don't like lions. I like lions. I don't like elephants. I like elephants. I don't like bears. I like bears. I don't like giraffes. I like giraffes. I don't like monkeys.
Page 71. C. Listen, point, and chant. Do you like cats?
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
Do you like spiders?
No, I don't. I don't like spiders.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I do.
Do you like rabbits?
Yes, I do.
Do you like frogs?
No, I don't. I don't like frogs.
Page 71. D. Listen and do. Number 1.
Hear a lion.
Number 2.
See a rabbit.
Number 3.
Feed a fish.
Number 4.
Pet a goat.
Page 72. Let's read. A. Listen, point, and say.
U. Umbrella. Tub. Bug. Cup.
Page 72. B. Put the sounds together.
T. B. Tub. B. G. Bug. K. P. Cup.
Page 72. C. Listen, point, and chant. The U phonics chant.
Umbrella. Cup. Umbrella. Tub. Bug. Cup. Bug. Tub. Bug on an umbrella in the tub.
Umbrella. Cup. Umbrella. Tub. Bug. Cup. Bug. Tub. Bug on an umbrella in the tub.
Bug. Cup. Bug. Tub. Bug on an umbrella in the tub.
Bug. Cup. Bug. Tub. Bug on an umbrella in the tub.
Page 73. D. Listen and read along. On the playground. 1.
Oh no! Where is my bug?
2.
Is it on the umbrella? No, it isn't.
3.
Is it under the tub? No, it isn't.
4.
There it is. It's on the cup. I like bugs.
End of CD 2.